Alright, I am back with another daily recap on the day. We just finished Monday, or not just finished, but we just traded today and it was Monday. We are up 3,300, around $300, $3,300, and up on the three accounts around 5.5k. So amazing day today. As you guys can see, I did take a little bit more trades than I usually do, and I am not proud of it, but I'll let you guys know what happened. So coming into market open, I was bearish. I knew our target was September lows, and if we were not gonna get a pre-market, we're gonna get it throughout or sometime today. But I noticed we had a good setup in pre-market already with this SMT here. ES did not sweep these highs, and NQ swept these highs. ES actually left equal highs over here and over here, which were the target later on in the day. But I was already short. I woke up around like 6:15 my time, 9:15, and I noticed a setup here, but I didn't realize it fast enough, and I set limits. I set my limits at this 5-minute fair value gap right here. So I had limits set at this fair value gap right here, this 5-minute fair value gap right here. I had limits. We market open higher. We did not tap it. We were 1 point away from tapping it. Unfortunately, did not get filled, and the draw on liquidity to September lows got hit. So that was pretty sad, how I didn't get tagged in, but it's okay. I was proud of myself for that, for not FOMOing in and not being sad about that trade or losing the opportunity to have that trade, because there's so many more opportunities in the market. We can't just get fixated on missing that one move, because there's going to be so many more opportunities left. So I was proud of myself for being calm and managing my emotions, missing that trade. I really didn't even care, and it felt amazing that I didn't care. It didn't really affect me. And I got into a long right here actually. So after we swept out the September lows, we were slowing down in price. We did not want to go any lower, and if we were to go lower, I didn't really know where we could have went. We had this unfilled 4-hour here and August lows, which is all the way down here, which is like 2,000 points away. We do have a 4-hour rejection block, but I don't consider that strong draw on liquidities without confluences. So if we were to go lower, I didn't really know where to go. So after we swept that September lows and we were slowing down in price, I was leaning more bullish, especially after this fair value gap right here got inversed. The one that swept out this low, it got inversed. If we were truly bearish, this should have held, and it didn't hold. So I was bullish after that. After we inversed this, I entered, I think it's like right here actually. I entered somewhere around here. I market entered here. Market entered and targeting the equal highs. I took profit on the way up, and I got eventually stopped out because I was trailing my stop around like right here or right here. I didn't put my stop like right here. Yeah, I got stopped out there. I was up around like $1,000 on that trade, and I should have walked away there, but I kept on looking at the charts because I was on till like around 8 o'clock. So I was still on here. Then I took this set trade right here at 8 o'clock. This gets set up to equal highs. Unfortunately, I got stopped out again, trailing my stop, but I got a really good profit out of that. I got around like 2K, 2.2K, and that is when I locked on my account and I was done for the day. But before taking this trade, I did get stuck in this chop right here, trying to catch the move before the move actually happened, and that is what I was not proud of. I over traded, and it was against my rules, because I should have hopped off after one trade here, because my rules is after one trade I'm off, but I kept trading. Although I was in a profit, I'm not proud that I broke my rules. But anyway, still a good day. One more day till payout, and we should be getting it this week. But if not this week, next week. You never really know. You can't get fixated on having tomorrow, like the payout day, because you never really know what's going to happen. But yeah, that was my bias for today. Bearish at the start, cleared out the draw liquidity already, so I didn't know how much lower we could go. Then targeting the equal highs that we formed in pre-market yesterday, which was so perfect on NQ and ES, and NQ hit it too. I honestly thought after ES hit it, because ES hit it a lot sooner, we were gonna like create an SMT and then just chop around that range, but we hit it We hit it on both assets, and yeah, great day today. I'll be back tomorrow, see how everything turns out. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna be a little bit more bullish, because we just got a change in state on the 4-hour, and we are respecting this 1 hour fair value gap here and disrespecting this 1 hour fair value gap here. Definitely gonna be leaning more bullish, trying to fill out this range, get to discount maybe to this 4-hour fair value gap, and then lower down afterwards. But we just really gotta see what price gives us. But really good day today. Proud of myself for the profits. Not proud of myself for breaking my rules. But yeah, we'll see how tomorrow turns out, and I'll be back.